Today, we're diving into the ZenStyle height-adjustable rolling swivel salon stool, a versatile seating solution designed for comfort and functionality in various settings. Let's get into what makes this stool stand out. First off, comfort is key, and ZenStyle delivers on that front. With a padded seat and backrest, featuring 3.2 inches of soft sponge cushioning, you'll find yourself sitting comfortably for extended periods. The ergonomic design follows the natural curve of your spine, providing much-needed support to alleviate joint and muscle pressure, perfect for those long hours of work. Durability is another aspect where this stool shines. Constructed with a heavy-duty steel base, rolling legs, and a high-quality hydraulic lift, it offers stability and solidity, eliminating worries of tipping over or bent metal. The PU fabric surface is not only easy to maintain but also adds to its longevity, allowing you to wipe off stains effortlessly with a damp cloth. Smooth rolling is essential, especially in busy environments, and the ZenStyle stool delivers with full 360-degree swivel and dual-wheel casters. This allows for easy movement, shifting, and gliding across floors without the need to stand up. The chrome-finished base and gas lift not only enhance its aesthetics but also make cleaning a breeze. Adjustability is another standout feature. With a height range of approximately 6 inches, from 20.86 to 27.55 inches, you can easily find the perfect position to suit your needs. Plus, with a weight capacity of up to 250 pounds, it can accommodate most users comfortably. In terms of versatility, this stool is a game changer. Whether you're in a tattoo shop, massage parlor, studio, clinic, salon, office, or any other setting, it's the ideal choice. It not only supports your legs and back for enhanced comfort but also facilitates easy and smooth movement, making it a must-have addition to any workspace. Overall, the ZenStyle height-adjustable rolling swivel salon stool is a top-notch seating solution that combines comfort, durability, and versatility seamlessly. If you're looking for the ultimate comfort companion for your workspace, look no further than this fantastic stool. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.